Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Yvette, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So today what we're going to talk about is how to attract your dream customer in just 3 easy steps. So the first thing you want to do is you want to build your own lead system. What that means is it's a process for you to be able to get leads directly from social media using several different steps. So the first part about it is to make sure that you give something for value, right? So something of value would be something where you're giving an ebook or a free course or a free PDF that you built yourself or that you have from somebody else, but something to give them some educational content to let them learn about you and find out why they need life insurance, why they need final expense, why they need Medicare, whatever type of insurance you're selling. We're giving them as an intro of here's information, education of why you need it. Because I think the number one thing that insurance agents are affected by when they call somebody is, well, I don't need it, I don't have it, I don't want it, whatever. This is your chance to get that information out in front of them. First part of your dream insurance customer lead system is something that you're giving of value. You also want to make sure that that landing page is there for that client, that when they fill out when they say they want that ebook that you're giving away, it takes them somewhere. What does that mean? It takes them somewhere like a landing page, not a website, but a landing page, which is just the primary purpose of it is to get your information in exchange for the free PDF or free product or service that you're providing to them. The only purpose is just to do that. You give them a little bit of information about who you are, what you do, maybe some testimonials, but the main thing is to provide them the actual thing that they requested. Once they give you their name and email, they now are turning into a lead. So then what you want to make sure you have is a follow-up system. That's an email sequence of some kind. It's still part of step number 1. But you want to make sure that you have an email sequence that you're able to follow up with them every couple of days. And this is a pre-written email sequence. You don't have to remember what you're writing. You don't have to, worry about all that. It's pre-done. So once that's done, that it just sends out automatically. Some of the emails could be about maybe, people you worked with in the past, that you have good references or testimonials. It could be education about why they need life insurance. It can be anything that's going to give them information. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that these emails are going to get them to know, like, and trust you. That's super important. And the purpose of this entire lead system is to get them to feel comfortable enough to book a call with you and schedule a call directly with you within 15 minutes. But in order to do that, you need to get them to first get their name and email, which is how we get their information in the first place. Step number 2, you want to make sure that you're providing highly engaging content from all of your social media platforms. Now, this is something that you can pre-write. You can, spend a day during the month, write down what is it that you want to provide every day. So maybe Monday is like inspirational day, then maybe Tuesday is a testimonial, maybe Wednesday is some education about why they need life insurance or they need final expense. Maybe Thursday is something that you did that day, that how, behind the scenes of like how you were working with the client and you were able to save them so much money. Friday is just like, hey, what are you guys doing for the weekend? But the point is you want to keep creating different content that they keep coming back to your page. It's kind of like, what's up, what's new with Yvette? What is she talking about? What's going on? So that helps them to feel more comfortable with you and build that bond. So once they build that bond, then it's super easy to say, hey, I saw that you checked out my post. Can we get on a quick 15-minute call and just get to know each other or, answer any questions? And it's a super easy way to get them. And they're a very qualified lead because you've already told them that you sell insurance. You've already explained to them why they need life insurance or whatever type of insurance you're selling. So what happens is that by the time you get them on the call, it's a very easy transition and they're very more likely to work with you directly. And then finally, step number 3, make sure that you're consistent. Consistency is key. I always talk about that because you can be adding your dream customers. You can be posting social media every now and then, but if you don't do it consistently, they're not going to work with you. One post once a month isn't going to get you any results. It's really about being consistent, making sure you have that content calendar of highly sticky content that you're providing on a daily basis, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever channels that you're using, but you want to be consistent and provide that content on a daily basis. And that's going to get you your dream customer coming directly to you, begging to buy directly from you and only you, because other agents are probably calling them 24 times a day and they don't want to talk to them, but they'll talk to you because you have a fully automated lead system in place. Now, if you want to learn more about this and you want to learn how you can have the same thing too without putting in all the work, contact me below. Click on the links in the description below and set up a one-on-one call with me. I will go into some detail exactly on how it works and how we can help you. So looking forward to learning more about you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.